Tell us your name, position, and how long you've been with H&K.
My name is Seth Peterson. My position is Elwell-Parker shop foreman, and I've been with H&K for about 8 years now.
What type of Elwell-Parker equipment is this, and what is its primary functions?
This particular piece of equipment is an Elwell-Parker R14N55, and its function is to be a steel and aluminum coil carrier. It is a 55,000 pound capacity. My team started with this unit. We stripped it down to the bare chassis. We removed all the hydraulic motors, drive motors, and steer brake motor. We had those sent out to be repaired and rebuilt. We also pulled the lift cylinders and had those sent out to be redesigned and rebuilt to provide more lift. We went through all the electronics and replaced all the contactors and any questionable wires. We converted this machine to 80 volts DC for the customer because that's what they operate. And we also added some safety fail-safes, such as an overload protection circuit. This rebuild is very specialized because we're taking a factory production machine and we're altering it to suit the customer's needs. The thing with that is not all places will do stuff like that because they're not certified, but we have the extensive capabilities here to be able to do so. This unit will be shipped to Argentina, and this project for the customer ensures that they'll be able to continue their operation. Right now they have a unit down there similar to this one, but it is very old and in disrepair. So this is going to give them some new life on their line and keep them going for years to come. H&K is the sole owner of Elwell-Parker. We still possess all the original engineering documents and all the prints, and we also employ one of the original Elwell-Parker engineers. So this provides us with the know-how and the knowledge that we need to make these projects a little easier for us to accomplish. With the knowledge of our technicians and the dedication of the rest of our team, we're able to stand apart from the crowd. H&K and its employees care about the rebuilds, the repairs, and the manufacturing that we do here. Our dedication to providing the customer with a good quality machine to use on a daily basis is one of our #1 things. Our attention to detail and dedication to getting the job done on time and do quality work is what sets us aside. I feel that working for H&K has helped me grow as an individual. It's helped me to expand my knowledge base, and I feel like I'm much better now than I was 10 years ago at doing my job.